Go home happy with the 2023 Nissan Altima. Get all the features you want and need in this multi-talented Altima. Spacious comfort, active safety tech and connectivity, flexible layout, athletic performance, and available all-wheel drive set the stage for a confident and highly enjoyable driving experience. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless start, Bluetooth connection, blind spot monitor, steering wheel audio controls, stability control. Sacrifice nothing. This Altima has it all. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.